right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our circle time. We're sitting on our bottoms, crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce.
Good job. Bring it around. Good job. And our hands are in our lap.
Good job. All right. Yeah. What happened there? All right, let's stand up and we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That same hand goes to our side and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. We have a brand new month. Does anybody know what month we're in? We are in March. And it is March 1st. So I'm going to grab the number 1 and put it all the way up to the top. All right. Let's go ahead and we're going to sing our Days of the Week song. Here we go. Turn it up. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Your turn.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, and today is Monday, March 1st, 2021. We have no school on Wednesday. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right, we're counting all the way to 20. Let's lift those hands up and give them a shake, 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 shake. Touch your head. Touch your knees. Where are your knees? Touch your knees. Touch your shoes. Touch your nose. Where's that nose hidden under that mask? Good job. Hands in our lap. Hands in our lap. Crisscross applesauce. And we're counting all the way to 20. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, we're counting backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! All right. My friends here, tell me what shape is red.
Diamond.
Diamond. Wonderful. Or rhombus. My friends here, tell me what color or what shape is brown?
Rectangle.
Not rectangle.
Square.
Square. Our nursery rhyme is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Excellent. All right, what number is this?
2.
2. Let's clap our hands 2 times. Ready? 1, 2. What number is this? 6. Let's count my squares.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, what number is this? 10. What 2 numbers make up 10?
1, 0.
1 and a 0. What number is this?
4.
4. Let's touch our head 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What is this?
7.
7. What shape is this?
Oval.
Oval. What color are my ovals?
Red.
Red. What is this?
1. 9.
9. What shape is this?
Heart.
What color is my heart?
Pink.
Pink. What is this? 3. What shape is this? Go wash your hands.
Brown.
What shape is this?
Brown.
What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good job. I have 3 triangles. What is this?
5.
5 fingers. Show me 5.
5.
Who's 5 in here? Look at all my 5-year-olds.
Me.
All right, we have done the letter L. F. E.
H.
H.
E. T. I.
I.
U.
U. Magic.
C.
O. N. Q.
U.
This week we're on the letter G.
G.
G says g, g, g. What does it say?
G.
G. This is gumbo. You ever watch TV?
I like gumbo.
Uh-huh. This is gumbo. This is a gorilla. This is a girl. And we like to chew some gum. All starts with the letter G. Let's go ahead and stand up. Oh, sorry, no, not this group. We'll get out our mats so we can go ahead and make the letter G.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Take your pieces and put them at the top.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better
Now, watch up.
remember to start it at the top.
With your legs crisscrossed, please. Watch out.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters,
We're going to take out all of our pieces.
letters, start your letters at the
Pull
top.
that out.
Start your letters at the top.
Further.
Where do you start your letters?
Tie out those pieces.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it
Good.
at the
One
top.
more.
This is the top.
Good job, buddy. Here.
This is the top.
Up here. Okay, they go at the top. Not on our mat yet. Look, listen. These pieces at the top. Nope, leave it there. Yes, good job. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're touching the bottom. Reach down. Right here. Way down. Touch the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle.
Who's gonna let it hop?
The top.
Who's gonna let it hop?
If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
It's top.
No, it's the middle.
Top.
It's the top.
You start the letter at the top.
All right. All right, we're making the letter G, so we're going to start off with our magic C. Pick up your magic C and put it onto your mat. Magic C and put it on your mat.
Magic C. Here, fine. Just the magic C though. So at the top we're doing just the magic C. Good job.
All right, now we're going to start to make our letter G. We need to grab one of our little lines. We have to turn it
Just one.
and put it at the bottom.
Do one little line.
Where's your baby?
Right here.
We'll grab our other little line and we're going to turn it and put it on top. So the letter G has a tiny T inside of it. Watch, I'm going to take away the magic C. Look what's behind. What's left behind? What's left behind?
Ew.
Not just a T, a tiny T. A tiny T is left behind when we take away the magic C. But today we're making the letter